super dope. I'm super excited to be here.
9, 7, yeah! You're gonna line up in the back corner where you see the American flags. Yep. Thank you.
Here she goes. Go Terry.
Said you keep my mind on cloud nine, cloud nine. Woo!
Are you ready?
We only have 90 seconds to make it happen.
Hey.
So that's what I'm gonna do, y'all. I'm gonna
make it happen.